I don't want people to see me fake. I want people to see the real me. Talaga? Bakit may yung...
Their library.
Bakit may bisita sa ano?
Pero mas ingat ka ba sa kilos na siyempre, parang
Ako, no. Ako, mas ingat ako kay Janela because I know that she's younger than me. So, marami pa siyang, like this is her first romantic approach in a soap. So, ginagawa ko lang yung best ko na hindi siya mabigla. So, stuff kasi na hindi siya mabigla because she's younger than me and she's only 18. So, I just turned 22. Yes, so yun, I just try to guide her and pwede ko paturo sa